how to fix the microphone not working on an HP laptop on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to get your microphone back up and working properly. First, click on the Start button and go to Settings. From there, click on System and then click on Sound. At this point, scroll down and click on Microphone under the Input section. From there, make sure the correct microphone is selected as the default input device. After that, check that the microphone volume is not turned all the way down and adjust it if needed. In the next step, go back to Settings and click on Privacy and Security. From there, click on Microphone under the App Permissions section. Make sure microphone access is toggled on and that the apps you want to use the microphone with are also allowed to work. Once done, go back and check if the microphone is working. Following this, if it is still not working, right-click on the Start button and click on Device Manager. From there, expand the Audio Inputs and Outputs section. Right-click on your microphone device and click on Update Driver. At this stage, click on Search Automatically for drivers and let Windows look for the latest driver. Once completed, restart your PC and check if the microphone is working now. From here, if the issue persists, right-click on the sound icon at the bottom right of the taskbar and click on Troubleshoot Sound Problems. Select your microphone from the list and let the troubleshooter run. Follow any fixes it suggests and check if the microphone is restored. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix the microphone not working on your laptop, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.